Next question, student. Two identical coils P and Q, each of radius R, are lying in perpendicular planes such that they have a common center. They lie in perpendicular plane, common center, such that they have a common center. Find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at the common center of the two coils if they carry current equal to I and root 3I respectively. So student, we have to find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at the common center of the two coils. So these are the two circular current loop which are lying in a perpendicular plane, and we have to find the magnetic field at the common center and also direction of net magnetic field. So student, coil P circular current loop, P carry current I and Q carry a current of root 3I, common center O, and magnetic field at a point O due to circular current loop P, and we know that magnetic field at the point of the magnetic field at the center of the circular current loop, this formula is mu naught by 2 I by R, and direction of magnetic field for a circular current loop for P, and student, current is flowing in what? Current is flowing into what? In anti-clockwise direction for circular current loop. So if you, what is the direction of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop P? So if we curl your finger of right hand and curling finger show the direction of current flowing into the circular current loop P, and then thumb will give the direction of magnetic field at a point O, means center of the loop P, which is vertically upward. So direction of magnetic field at a point, direction of magnetic field at a point O due to circular current loop carry current I. So this direction of magnetic field, which is, this will be what? We have written here what? BP. So magnetic field at O due to circular current loop P, magnetic field at the point O due to circular current loop P, and we know that BP, that is what? Magnetic field at the point O, mu naught by 2, we know that formula at center, mu naught by 2 I by R, and current flowing in this circular loop, that is what? I, and I radius of this circular loop, that is both have a common radius R. Direction vertically upward, vertically upward. In the same way, what is the, this is the front portion and this is the back portion of this circular current loop, and again we used the right hand thumb rule. Current is flowing into what? In this direction. Then direction of the magnetic field at the center of circular current loop Q, that is what? Towards right side, it means what? Towards horizontal. So magnetic field at O due to circular current loop Q carry current root 3I. In the same way, BQ Same formula, mu naught by what? 2, but current carry, that is what? Root 3I. Here current carrying, that is what? Root 3I, radius, that is what? Same. Direction, that is what? Students, see the diagram. Current is flowing in this circular current loop Q. We have to find the direction of magnetic field. So current is flowing in this manner. So direction of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop towards horizontal. So it means what? Direction of magnetic field. Direction of magnetic field, which is BQ. BQ, which is what? So along horizontal, horizontal. So applying right hand thumb rule, find the direction of magnetic field at the center of the circular current loop. In case of loop P, direction of magnetic field acting vertically upward. In case of circular current loop Q, direction of magnetic field is what? Along x-axis or along horizontal. So net magnetic field, one magnetic field due to the horizontal circular current loop, that is what? Vertically upward, and vertical circular loop magnetic field is what? Horizontal. So net magnetic field, that is what? Net magnetic field, that is what? Net magnetic field at O, which is found by direction, and net magnetic field at O, which is BP square plus BQ square, using law of vector addition of parallelogram method. B equal to under root BP square plus BQ square, and here B magnitude of BP square mu naught by 2, mu naught by 2 I by R whole square plus mu naught by 2 root 3I by what? R, and then whole square. And student, mu naught by 2 I by R whole square, this one mu naught by 2 root 3 I by R whole square, and taking the common mu naught by 2 I by R square, mu naught by 2 I by R square, and taking outside common, so it comes out to be that what? Mu naught by 2 I by R, and student, it becomes what? 1 square, and here that is what? Root 3 square. So that is what? Mu naught by 2 I by R, and it comes out to be 314, that is what? 2. And this will comes out to be that after this will be cancelled out, mu naught I by what? R. So net magnetic field at O, which is mu naught I by R. And if net magnetic field B makes an angle theta with horizontal, so if net magnetic field makes an angle theta with the horizontal, so we use tan theta, that is what? Find the direction of the net magnetic tan theta perpendicular by base. So perpendicular, that is what? BP, and base, that is what? BQ, and BP already you know that mu naught by 2 I by R, and BQ, that is what, mu naught by 2 root 3 I by what, R. And student, this will be cancel out, R cancel out, I cancel out, so tan theta comes out to be that 1 by root 3, and you know that theta, that is what, 30 degree. So net magnetic field at the center of the two circular loop which are perpendicular to each other, net magnetic field B equal to mu naught I by R, and this net magnetic field which makes angle theta with the horizontal. So theta comes out to be that 30 degree.